Hello guys, welcome to Chic's Travels. Today I want us to look at a renovation that have happened in Nairobi, and it is in Uhuru Park. Uhuru Park is one of the touristic attraction sites. That's where most people in Nairobi come to rest and relax and have good family time. So it have changed, and there have been renovations that have been taking place for over a year now, and it is looking amazing. It is looking amazing, guys. So come and watch this until the end and see how Uhuru Park is looking like. Watch and see the many changes. I love how beautiful it looks. It looks so beautiful. I can't wait to come here and chill and relax and have a good time. It is really becoming a very good place. They have even brought an old aeroplane that will be used as a restaurant in the renovated Uhuru Park.